So hi guys, this is Chetan Potdar back again, and today I wanted to make a video for what a stop loss is, because there have been people who's been asking me, especially the very basic ones, been asking me what a stop loss is. So let me quickly explain to you. This is going to be a very short video. I'm not going to teach you in this video where to put a stop loss. And how do you determine the stop loss? That is not the objective of this video. The objective of this video is to explain what is a concept called as stop loss, and this is primarily for students who are very new to this entire game of trading, and who are very new to the to trading. So let's quickly look at the chart. Now this is the chart. This is price, which is in candles. This is volume, price and volume. Now for you to go long, which is buy and sell, basically going long means you buy first and sell. So suppose, for example, this is a trend which is going up. Let's consider this trend. This is an example, and this is an uptrend, and because it's an uptrend, I would like to go long here. So what I'm typically going to do is I'm going to be buying over here, and as I buy over here, as the price moves up, I will be making profit, and then I would like to sell over here. And so you buy here, you sell here, and then that kind of makes a profit for you, because from here then it turns around. Now but that is a utopian situation, a perfect situation where you decide that you want to buy here and price goes up in your direction to make profits. But at times it happens that after you buy over here, price kind of fizzles down and comes down, and while it comes down, rather than you making profit, you end up making losses. Now you making losses is a bad thing, because then you have to cover up for your losses. So stop loss is a mechanism where it limits the amount of losses that you have. So what you do is, stop loss essentially is a sell order when you are going long. So here we are going long, so this is going to be a buy order, this is going to be a sell order, right? And stop loss is a sell order. It's an artificial sell order where we are telling that if this price, instead of going up, it goes and turns around and goes down, I'm going to be selling over here. Now because it's a sell order, this is where you're buying, this is where you're selling, and this is the amount of loss which you are going to take. Yeah, so now why would you want to take that loss? Because if the price would have gone down further down, then the amount of loss would have been at least 5 folds. So in order to curb the amount of loss, which is 5 folds, you're just taking a small loss, protecting your capital. You can always use that capital again in order to trade and make money for yourself. So this is the mechanism of a stop loss. So remember, in a, when you're going long, this is a buy order, this is a sell order, and there is a sell order. So there are always going to be 2 sell orders and 1 buy order when you're going long, and this is a stop loss. Now I'm not going to explain to you in this video how do you determine the stop loss. This is just an example. It might not be the best example to give you as far as how to determine a stop loss. Now coming back to stop losses, now I'm going to show you how to put a stop loss when you're shorting. Now this has been a trend which has been going up, it turns around and it goes down. So when it is turning around and going down, obviously you want to make profit from this situation where, so this is an impulse move, this is a retracement move. As the price is retracing, maybe you would want to go short on this. So shorting would be what? Going short or shorting would be what? You sell here, but so you sell first and then you buy later. You are selling expensive or higher, you are buying cheaper or lower, and because you are selling first and buying later, this is your profit. Again, what basically the phenomenon is the same. You can only make profits when you buy lower and sell higher. Yeah, you can only make money when you buy lower and you sell higher. Only in this case, you are reversing the order. You're selling first higher and you're buying lower. Yeah, and now if it goes down in this direction, obviously you make a lot of money, and but there would be a chance where you sell here and then the price would continue to go up, and if the price would continue to go up, then you're going to be losses because you already sold. You'll have to buy higher. So in a shorting situation, a stop loss is always a buy order. So, and buy order is always placed above the the sell order. So this is a sell order, this is a buy order, and it would help you profit, and this is a stop loss order, which is also a buy order, which means you have sold here and you have bought here. In this scenario, you are making a loss, but the loss is very small. You are selling first, you are buying higher, and you are making a loss. So just remember, when you are going short, you are selling first, you're buying later. This is a sell order, this is a buy order, and your stop loss is going to be higher than your buying price. higher than your selling price, and it is always going to be a buy order. So there you go. This is the simplest and the most easiest explanation I could give you on stop losses. Again, this example does not denote that I am going to be putting a stop loss here. It is just an example to explain the concept to you. So thanks and bye. Thanks for your time. This is Chetan, Potdar.